Kevin, stand up. Stand up one more time.
Okay.
Hop.
This is our video of us torturing you, Catherine. So on your feet, you steady. One step.
One
Yay!
step. Yay!
You want to do it again? Again.
Christopher's clapping in the background.
1, 2, and then we're going to get ready for nap time.
There you go.
Ready?
One.
Hands.
Hey, Christopher. Up.
Come see Mama.
Come on.
Come see Mama, honey. You're walking for almost like 3 weeks now, little steps. Can you come see Mommy? Yay! Good job, Christopher. Yay! Mommy, show me your steps. Yay! Show Mama. Yay! Good girl. You can do it. Yay!